Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to fix WhatsApp message sending problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting, scroll down, click on connection and sharing, scroll down, click on reset Wi-Fi or mobile network, again tap on reset setting. You can reset your mobile network. Tap on reset setting. Step 2. Again open your phone setting, search data roaming, click on data roaming option, again click on international roaming, turn on always option, again turn on. Step 3. Open Play Store and update your WhatsApp application latest version. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.